Hello everyone. This video is the continuation of one of my previous videos. So I would recommend watching that video first from the link provided in description below. In this video, I will show you how to read a key value pair from app.config file. Please remember that this approach can only be used if we are using .NET framework, and we work slightly differently if we are using .NET Core. So as you can see in the code, this is where we are passing the Chrome browser as a hard-coded value. And as I said in my previous video, it is not a very good practice. So now, in order to pass this value as a variable, we have to look for application config file, and that can be found in the Solution Explorer. So let's click that. Once inside the application config file, we can see it has some default XML code as well. So in order to create a new key value pair, we have to create another tag, which is called app settings. Make sure this tag appears inside the configuration tag. So app settings, closing tag. Inside app settings, we're gonna add our key value pair like this. So the key is, you can give whatever the name you like. I'm gonna give a browser, and the value is Chrome in this case. So this way we have successfully created a key value pair for the browser. Next, what we need to do is to go inside the class where we want to consume this key value pair. So in our case, it is WebDriver setup class. In order to use a key value pair in this class, what we have to do is we need to create a new variable of type string. Give this variable a name, and then we have to make use of another object is called a configuration manager. Okay, let me add the reference for this configuration. Okay, it's already added, and then we can make use of app settings and then passing the key name, which is browser, that we added in the application config file recently. So what is happening, this will retrieve the value from the application config file and assigning it to a browser variable of type string. And finally, we can pass the name of this variable in the getDriver method. After having done that, let us build the project again. Okay, regenerate the files. Let's run the test. There you go. We can see the browser has opened up and navigating us again to the Google home page. But this time we are not using the hard-coded browser value. Instead, we are retrieving it from the application config file. Thanks for watching, everyone, and stay tuned for my next video in which I'm going to talk about scenario context object.